Imagine a world where technology comes to the aid of our farmers, ensuring the prosperity of agriculture while providing real time market insights. Welcome to our innovative solution, AgriTech Guru. This prototype demonstration starts with the registration of farmers and the users of the system. Once registered, they are able to log into the system and access the dashboard consisting of various features. Let us now have a look at them. At the heart of our solution lies the power of remote sensing. We harness real-time video data captured from the farms using advanced camera modules. Farmers can also conveniently upload videos of their fields. We process this data by dividing it into frames. Our AI algorithms meticulously analyze these frames, selecting the best and the clearest one for disease prediction. If a disease is detected, our module goes a step further. It generates a customized remedy or solution for the farmer, empowering them to take prompt action. But that's not all. We go beyond disease prediction. By fetching the farmer's location or allowing manual input, we access real-time weather conditions and soil data from reliable APIs. The farmer provides essential details such as farm size and soil composition, that is, the NPK values. Our sophisticated ML model uses this data alongside current market trends to suggest the most suitable crops to grow. The innovation doesn't stop there. Our system generates a weekly calendar for farm activities, optimizing productivity. We also predict crop yields based on the inputs provided, ensuring farmers have realistic expectations for their harvest. Real-time market updates are essential. That's where our integration with the Mandi API comes into play. Farmers receive instant market insights on their devices. But the magic doesn't end with the farm. That's where our next feature, blockchain powered supply chain management, comes into play. We implement blockchain technology to revolutionize the supply chain. Each product's journey is tracked in real time with smart contracts ensuring transparency and security at every step. And what about accessibility? We are committed to making this solution inclusive. Our system supports multiple languages, allowing farmers to use it comfortably in their regional language. To empower farmers further, we offer a comprehensive dashboard. It includes agriculture training programs, providing farmers with the knowledge and tools they need to thrive. With AgriTech Guru, we are not just enhancing the farmer experience, we are transforming agriculture itself. We are making it smarter, more efficient, and more profitable. We aim to build this revolutionary solution for agriculture which will help cultivate a brighter future. Thank you.